Yes people, what is going on? Today we have the Volkswagen Golf, or is it Golf R? You know how it is. Got just under 300 bhp with a 4-motion 4-wheel drive system. So we're gonna see how it does with the automatic DSG. So let's just give it a go.
There will be a curve in the road.
Alright, there's gonna be many curves on this road. Oh yeah, that power delivery is nuts. 4-cylinder turbo as well. Have Volkswagen delivered with this. Like that gear change as well, smooth. Oh my days, the brakes. Stability. Shit. We're going uphill as well and it just throws you back in your seat. This is stock form as well, so oh yeah, I love it, I love it. I get the hype now. And a nice hatchback, small body, nimble. Just hugs these turns. Straight line performance on this thing is good, but you want to know how it does on the turns, on the twisties. Look at that, eats them up all day every day. I am seriously impressed. Oh yeah, I love that, I love that.
There will be a winding road.
Suspension's not too hard, just like perfect. Obviously we've thrown it onto race mode. Alright, you know what? And I know to mod these, tune them up. It's so accessible, easy numbers.
There will be a winding road.
Yeah, I hope you can turn that off somehow, it's a bit annoying. Oh yeah, look at these twisties, just handles them nicely. No issues. Do that downshift. Absolutely beautiful, mate. Eats them up all day, like I said. And that sound, you know. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, leave me a comment, I'll get back to you when I can. Should have some more cars on the channel soon. Let me know if there's any specific you want to see. If not, we'll leave it at that. And thank you for watching again.